Aner malakan biya malkan or online TV channel nere yalong ko gurier wani titit and content lat karodian kajan lere me bana rwach ka queering ten content walk kana ta danan chi jechen bor she dej kuma dej kirma yadit dej jani chaje joy ke je ki chaje nangwad madadian so bana rwach ka tin goron koni kan galat ere ko rutin kon lat karodian and we con learn con to work ban ka link ka jana mane but they taught be a link ten ba to be aron ka ba ka ten gaden con lat karodian gore jen o jen mi jiram jidid der subscribe ka der notification bell der jetwan ko gwaz dana ci leer bere da sha mala shi be keje telo de ka yako gurientity no no chuja pero jen o jen be subscribe ka bi notification bell be twan mi jiram jidid kalam ni shara gor shara lam ja gor pin ba gwaz dana ci leer ci je link ten so ban raj me ban je link kel akan kono niam gorjeno bana titi bana ka nywakel so be nyot ramame wude me shala pol nang wude me ramkel meshi ganware dong man rewe ke nasr kendelat korodian tema jaram dana naka jaram dan tiketet ko banwer ngwan bakana ko jaram dan la chief of defense minister which ka South Sudan jaram le de long ko banwer bakana jene wujane pol nang no jaram dan te ko mete ke ren yalla boto wana na ka jere nuere jaram dan la jatop so jala dan la lade so pol nang a criminal point ko jen naga gaat tiene shedier of course ka tok jen naga ni jitare so ko kon jitare kon e kolandwere so wude me jin wudanen manakon kon e kolandwere so gorje gwano be kon kwantaran ban ngaje no nga ramdan tu ko ramdan na kon all the time nga gorje no ban janga chikona bi apel bang so shale Paul nang agent chief of defense forces kia kwade ni man jak roll down to Nuer ticketin re we ke get up na state re win diale koken this the guy men nagar tiene re we dan re duaran man bo kon ke chemical ni chiang gwana dial chala polna so ran chi per we ka ta dan te ge ko bi gor gwano bi ngach so this the guy me right kwade dare we ke ju me lado cha wude me cha de bo ko nya kan Nuer kan ka konak ajara me dane laro kam to kon kel kan Nuer more wiki juba ngum de kon dier kaja chuken ren yale kan jakel ke kume dung Uganda chuken Nuer kan ga nagre wiki nasr chikon di almana yo ladari mo chanenen so this the guy who is behind the killing of innocent children we dan kone kola Nuer is the one who is using chemical bomb cluster bomb against innocent civilian wiki nasr and this guy also me la responsible ke yendane yan ka kwarial la kwara kon la kwarje asfele maigo to ko naka pot kangne enona kel kana janke na ko ken kon chairi al kano bi kentiti bi ken kalat so gorje gwano bi ajati chale pol na so chiran che je parwe che wude me enu ramtedi bi angaj wande bi ar kon te gaje bi akangaj so wude me a criminal mi je gen were chaje depal ko jen ara jaram dana nang were ka peng medit so mangai kon lat karodian gorjen wo banaje ngajen gude me no ramatede so we should be careful no mishiran sejeng nen gude bi ngajen o jen ajer lan hek danon okay this is a guy who is killing our people so na me gorjen o de yen ngach de yen ma de yen ngach so chana ku kare ler banan tok biare kon lat karodian ban ka jen gwaz bi ngach ko magajen o de kon jal kel de kon lat de kon ngach okay an wala ka kwi koran ce tuwag man shaling rai wacce ka galashal jangci galashal ba te da duwaban gwada mo gwada anti kolce tuwagtin men gwana jana long man shala da jeshen bor so kon gwada me tele mo goro be kon dier ko already naka kon lat ka kon jek jang kwala chole to e kuma South Sudan chi kuma South Sudan so these are criminals but tegen ke uniform na nying South Sudan the new the guano they are criminal ko ram big innocent civilians beka attack be ngade be need la civiliani tet gang ne kien be hono no be ke disarm chika right down pilot and ru ko ko pilot correct right ka kwide me this is the only guy milado no ai cha me dial ba ka loy luak this is the guy me dial ba ka kep no ka lere je ka kwin wore ko ne me che de me to we jane no bi ko me jane bu kana kep it only happen in Nuerland. This is where they will carry out the disarmament. This is the guy mala criminal. This is the guy mandan na kon e ko lan so jaram dan te ka roin dial te bon wo ba me tin te hal ba ka yikep no kamate ka me de kan la dong me kan kam no mulen kon ko na la nek ni syang nang kan me na gat okay ka chi ka term let kan me bu long no to de kan me no de kan ka pon so this is the guy mandan te me la teacher yan lot re dwaran kon e ko lan so ban right kwid no wala okay an wale te ka mu ga mashalat ne kon la jech and bor chi ka mu ga kan la de wale you know ko re dan shalat jejen bor Cherenial kel cheja kapin. Cherenial kel cheja kapin rei wajan dan en mente korten. Renial wakaro. Ba renial kel mojan cha kapin. Renial reu da kanling ban menceling renial kel mo. Chicken ne de rei dengan dial chicken ketuk. So cherenial mo cha ben pinya wala. Ko en kel ma yadit yu the renial ten kon ngai kon che yu the yu the men kem kole. But chin jejen bor che dier ko ngai ka gwano meliu kan ka kwin wara. Tele mo ko ken gainten. Bado bunwar buga teteng mo kwa so jandana use kana so kin ma yadit kana je kwar dial ko let karodian kana content kwa nor kwa la ham so la suggestion from this unprecedented act kuma kin ma yadit so em hadano denarin je gangaje kina bugi lora bang no na kana na so we should talk mlong mo social media be lat mde laro no mitir wankor shimene ko ne wankoro be medera na longa len be jela so enran ka konte ka long te ka ability medera no da lo ka je so mo to gene jechen bor chikare nyal jikana kapin jena mo mechiane no already chikare nyal jikana kapin ren nyal mo chelu already e jeje bor no mon jejen bote ka torbiyele bati chakap jaga ka ba men mech jama chaga kap mimo amugo abolo jalan mo gwa jalat you know jene de wan chek mo ko bot ka ne de konte la di ni kim yadit so mare ko kien de dong ngot kan ko no ling ka re titine so wo kan gwa man kwala gorno betup kan ne te kon la jechen bor wo chwiden che betup kwikel che man chala de median tong wan la kim yadit this guy shana che ka full antame okay la de jagwanu maitin content kene ko la GSS PDF bikana bikan chicken as well mayo chicken ba mak na me kach tare kach warga men pay kana gor order pay kana tup kene dial bu match bikan ka garpin so kach ba do gor ko no bu no bikan ga jega ko ba ko lo to ne kon lugo kap ko match ka ji kene kon te great apana state ka ne ko la Nuer so again so whatever they say a lie we do not have to listen to them. Start from Michael Makweli at Kelly. Tin kon let ken dial kenya kaine tem la truska. So do of our gangaje, we're gonna use it by any means. Okay? We're gonna use anything madeko gangaje. Whatever thing that we can use to defend ourselves, we're gonna use it. So ena kaji chicken nongo, we are gonna expose it. Bene expose Kelly. So these people are liar, they are criminal. So let ken Kelly. It only benefit their own people, dinka, and their close allied, their close friend. These are the only people that benefit from them. But whatever they always say it on social media, on news outlet, all of them they are lie. I told Michael Makweli. Michael Makweli lie a lot. Start from the deployment of Uganda Defense Force, these Uganda mercenaries. This is a lie. They lie about many things. Okay, this guy. So they are terribly criminals. They are not working to better South Sudan. No, they are doing this thing to benefit themselves and their community. Anyok ring ma charm yanjamo aramimo telele luang changa kel. All right. Meridian biangach. without ring machatel mal ka South Sudan. This is reality, okay? Maybe Michelle can more revitalize it agreement. Mali chata in koron kin dang badek wal badek mitel ne dak ring machar che demo talk. Me dan kan hono no be kan ring machar kan ho yena ka South Africa. They did it. You can urume you can jaga kwaran rode by president tabandengai. But things didn't work out. So whatever they're gonna do, it's gonna fail. And when we can lel by yik fail, chaba succeed. Shall we say tana la take a guada talk? A real person, Manogmal is Dr. Riek Machar. Muguyena, these people they are taking us back. Men were calling quick and walk on to kelka can janglety. So remember, Rien Mishala Michael McQuilwith, Chelare, no matter what, even we agree to assign the peace agreement, Riek Machar will never work with Self-Akema Yadit. This is his own word, okay? Not my word. Carry it, Katichalat. Can you imagine? Quermidi Laranamo. A Jenny Riek Machar rebel ke 1991, Riek Machar rebel ke 2016, Riek Machar nyoga rebel ke 2025, Riek Machar rebel ke 2013 edan. Ala pel karin jogri jegri koni kan kalat. These are real criminals. They instigate something and then they blame it on somebody else. And this is what they are doing. Their plant, they don't know. Their plan is to wipe out Nuer people. That is it. That is their agenda. But Riek Machar is saying no. South Sudan is one. Dinka and Nuer people are ones. Equatorian and Nuer and Dinka. Everybody in South Sudan, all the 64 tribes, they are one. And they deserve to live a better life. Not this corrupt government at Kirmayadit. That's why you see in Kirmayadit been extending election every now and then. Mish election you take by extend. When a time for Queen Guinea, well I don't know, no. This has not yet been done. We still haven't yet finished the constitution making, this thing called a permanent constitution. And again, we haven't yet finished the deployment of or the training of the unified force, because there's no arms, because there's no guns, and we cannot deploy unified force without guns. Because this they're going to use it to kill Nuer. That's what it is. Let's say right now Cap can make South Sudan, and one thing is very clear: they are targeting Nuer people. They say so their plan is clear. This day we know everything they do, in and out. So Jaden Bor right now take a date Jack Mendongo can obicho